Grandpa's elixir. 9 parts bourbon, 1 part honey.
Yeah.
I'll just take the bourbon, please.
Baby.